This video demonstrates the proper disassembly and reassembly process to be followed during LR125 maintenance. The specially engineered flow path, metal plug, and supported diaphragm design makes the LR125 highly resistant to damage and allows smooth performance under a wide range of process conditions. Maintenance of your LR125 should be conducted in accordance with your process conditions and maintenance guidelines. During reassembly, make sure to closely inspect the O-rings, diaphragm, and strainer. They can be damaged by upset conditions and high-velocity solid particulates in the flow path. For disassembly and reassembly, you will need the combination wrenches listed and anti-seize lubricant. First, depressurize the system. If you have yet to do so, refer to the LR125 shutdown video for proper depressurization steps. Disconnect the supply pressure line. Disconnect the control line. Remove the travel indicator assembly. Remove all cap screws. Lift up and remove the bonnet from the body. Remove the diaphragm assembly. Remove the bonnet O-ring. Pull out the cage. Remove the cage O-ring and inlet strainer. For reassembly, begin by inspecting the inlet strainer for holes or bends caused by solid particulates suspended in the process fluid. Replace if damage is noted. Install the inlet strainer. Inspect the cage O-ring. A good O-ring is circular with consistent thickness around the perimeter. A damaged O-ring will have flat spots or cuts on its surface caused by upset conditions, severe service, and long-term operation. Replace if damage is noted. Lubricate and insert around the perimeter of the inlet strainer. Insert the cage. Inspect and install the bonnet O-ring. Look for the same signs of damage as the cage O-ring. Inspect and lubricate the top and bottom of the outer edge of the diaphragm, then place the diaphragm and plug assembly on the cage. A damaged diaphragm will have tears, pinches, or blowouts on the diaphragm surface, typically caused by upset conditions, high-velocity solid particulates, or long-term operation. Replace if damage is noted. Install the bonnet and tighten the cap screws in an even crisscross pattern to prevent damaging the bonnet. Use a torque wrench to tighten to the appropriate value. Attach the travel indicator assembly. Use a torque wrench to tighten to the appropriate value. Connect the supply pressure line. Finally, attach the control line. Thank you for choosing Fisher Regulator Technologies. If you have any questions, contact your local Fisher representative or visit us online.